Sad Animal Facts. Brooke Barker. Reptiles and amphibians. An alligator's brain weighs less than an Oreo. Whoa, that was really confusing. Long-tailed skinks eat their own eggs. I was hungry, and they were there. Frogs can close their ears. Cool, yeah, I'm totally listening. If only humans had that ability. Turtles breathe out of their butts. If that pizza's too hot, I can blow on it for you. Ew. Turtle fart pizza. Pit vipers have heat sensors on their mouths. No one will ever kiss me. Oh, I'm sorry, pit viper. Marine iguanas sneeze out salt when they eat too much of it. I shouldn't have eaten that popcorn. Imagine if you had an iguana and a turtle. You can salt your food and cool it off at the same time. Fire salamanders eat their siblings. Being an only child has a terrible aftertaste. Ew. Crocodiles lived with dinosaurs. I miss those guys. Every day. Oh, poor crocodile. You miss your friends. Water-holding frogs eat their own skin for nutrients. Stop complaining about taking vitamins. Ew, can you imagine eating your own skin? Ew. When star tortoise eggs hatch at cold temperatures, more males are born, and at warm temperatures, more females are born. My parents wanted a girl, but there was a storm. Garden lizards eat their own tails for calcium. Can we not talk about it? Sea turtles never meet their moms or dads. I'm sorry, little sea turtle. Strawberry poison dart frogs feed their unfertilized eggs to their hatched babies. My mom makes the best eggs. Oof. Mammals. Little brown bats are awake for 4 hours a day. Tomorrow, I'm watching a movie, eating some cereal, and then going back to bed. Can you imagine if you were only awake for 4 hours a day? It would really make you put things into perspective, right? What things are priorities or not. The ring-tailed lemur that smells the worst is in charge of the entire group. Burp. Ooh, stinky boy. Camels can drink 30 gallons of water in 15 minutes. Are there bathrooms here? Hyenas eat rotting meat. That's probably my stomach you're smelling. Gross. Sea otters live in almost freezing water that would kill a human in an hour. Can anyone feel their arms? Bats have long-distance relationships. I can't echolocate you. Columbus monkey stomachs can handle food that no one else will eat. Why are you throwing out that chicken salad? Now that would be a good thing for people to have. Can you imagine all the leftovers in your fridge? Sheep can only remember 50 faces. I hope I don't meet anyone new today. Rhinos make a squeaking sound to call for their friends. Marco. Polo. Foxes live, work, eat, and sleep alone. Sounds fun, but I'm busy every day, sorry. Oh, solo fox. Hippos attract mates by peeing. Another great reason to be single. Can you imagine if humans did that? That would be hysterical. Boy puppies let girl puppies win when they play fight. You bite like a girl. Pigs have trouble seeing the sky because of how their eyes are placed. How's the weather up there? No, seriously. Tarsier eyes are bigger than their stomachs. Why did we order appetizers? Wild yaks eat snow to stay hydrated. I pretend it's a snow cone just without the good parts. Oh. Zebras can't sleep alone. Hey, where are you going? I'm like a zebra. If a wolf is kicked out of the pack, it never howls again. Oh my goodness. Knock, knock. Never mind. Raccoon hands are nimble enough to steal a dime from your pocket. You can't buy anything with a dime anymore. Oh, I want a pet raccoon so badly you have no idea. Prairie dogs have different calls to communicate different human heights and human shirt colors, but can't differentiate between circles and squares. Is that plaid? If a female ferret goes into heat and doesn't mate, she will die. Why isn't Tinder loading? Oh. A chipmunk can't recognize its face in a mirror. I'd hate to be that guy. Sloths come down from their trees once a week to use the bathroom. I can't hold it any longer. Can you imagine if we only went to the bathroom once a week? Goats can see almost 360 degrees around them. Oh man, my butt looks terrible. Armadillos can't keep themselves warm and form groups when the temperature drops. Hey, do you guys want to come over? A female fisher can be pregnant for 350 days and a year. Stop telling me I'm glowing. Elephant babies suck on their trunks the way human babies suck on their thumbs. Oh my goodness. My mom's looking for water, but she'll be back soon. Baby elephant, you're so stinking cute. A female black bear can hibernate up to 8 months. What do you mean this haircut's not in style anymore? Groundhog Day was Hedgehog Day until the 1800s. No one cares about my shadow anymore. Pregnant polar bears gain 500 pounds. Whoa. Tell me I look ready to pop, and I'll pop your face. Guacamole is extremely poisonous to hamsters. I'll just have plain chips. Male lions eat first and make the women and children eat last. Are you sure that's only male lions? I'll save you some zebra butt if there's some left over. Pandas don't have set sleeping areas. They just fall asleep wherever they are. My whole life is just a long series of naps. Can you imagine if a panda fell asleep on your lap? Oh my goodness. Cows produce the most milk when they listen to REM's Everybody Hurts. Sometimes everything is wrong. Moose eat for 8 hours a day. My main hobbies are trees and shrubs. Wow, can you imagine eating for 8 hours? That's crazy. I think in the next lifetime I'll be a moose. Mice can sense sadness in other mice and it makes them sad too. Can we just hug? Oh. Hyraxes have 30 different calls, but there are 31 things I want to say. Everyone, all new, are born during a 3-week period. Everyone has my birthday. Snow leopards eat 20 pounds of food a night. How is it 2 a.m. already? Pumas, mountain lions, and cougars are all the same animal. Well, to you they are. Guinea pigs sleep with their eyes open. That way I can't see my nightmares. Guinea pig. Domesticated rabbits live 8 years as pets or 24 hours on their own. Okay, so I'm not great at taking care of myself. Make sure you take care of those bunnies. 2 dogs were hanged for witchcraft during the Salem witch trials. I did one too many tricks. Aww. Polydactyl cats have thumbs, but they aren't opposable. Can you turn the pages for me? I don't know. I had a cat that had thumbs and he was able to open doors. Deek-deeks mark their territory with their tears. I'm fine. I just need a few minutes. Everything's fine. Gibbon calls can be heard 2 miles away. Hey, I have a secret. Fennec fox ears take up a third of their body. They're not as noticeable if I hold my chin like this. Cougars can't roar, but they can scream. I scream, you scream, we all scream. That's all we do. That's interesting. I didn't know that. 15 Mara families live in one burrow. 2's company, 75 is a crowd. Giraffes sleep 3 hours a night. What are dreams? Imagine what you could accomplish if you only needed 3 hours of sleep a night. Anteaters can be as big as humans, but the inside of their mouth is the size of an olive. Can someone slice this grape for me? Dogs can't see television, but they pretend to like it so they can be close to you. Let's watch one more episode. That's cute. Apes tell lies. Everything's fine. That dress looks fantastic. It's so great to see you. Sorry I'm late. There was traffic. And that's why people and monkeys are so closely related. Dwarf lemurs line their homes with feces. Are you sure you don't want to come over? You never come over. City coyotes live longer than coyotes in the wilderness. The city killed me on the inside a long time ago. Tigers don't like making eye contact while they hunt. Cool shoes. Red-ruffed lemurs leave their kids when they go look for food. I love you, but I need a snack. That sounds like something this mom would do. Gorillas can catch human colds. Always wash your hands after you touch a zookeeper. That's interesting. Lab rats enjoy mating when they're wearing vests. I'm self-conscious about my stomach. That's weird. Meerkat babies are given dead scorpions to play with. No one look at my wish list. If a chinchilla gets wet, it might never get dry. I just took a shower, so I'll be ready in 3 months. Where do they live that they never get wet? Beavers need to chew constantly because their teeth never stop growing. Help! We're out of pretzels! Elephants can't jump. Once I did, but no one saw. Horses that look like they're smiling are actually smelling the air. That wasn't as funny as I was hoping. Newborn porcupines are ready to injure someone within minutes of being bored. Hey, I'm over here. Come snuggle with me. Squirrels can't burp. For the last time, that wasn't me. Giraffe babies fall 6 feet to the ground when they're born. This is off to a terrible start. A platypus swims with its eyes closed. I'd just rather not see it. Sad animal facts. Brooke Barker.